Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new Simple Sentiments stamp and coordinating die. This stamp set includes 24 greetings. There are 12 on each side, and the coordinating die cuts out each one of these sentiments perfectly. So this way you just have to stamp once, and then you can cut out all 24 sentiments at the same time. I'm going to go through stamping and showing you how easy it is to use the coordinating die. I'm going to go to my MISTI tool and I'm just going to put a piece of white cardstock. I'm going to pull the stamp away from the plastic and just position it on my MISTI tool. It's best to use some type of stamping tool for this type of stamp. I find that it's easier to re-stamp when you have a tool to use. So I inked it up with black and I'm just applying pressure all over the stamp. And some areas are a little light, so I know I have to go over, but I'm just going to go over the whole stamp again, make sure I press down everywhere. And then it only took 2 tries to get a great impression. And let me show you a close-up of how these stamped sentiments look. Once I was done stamping, it's time to cut them all out. I'm going to go over to my die cutting machine and show you how to position your die. There are little symbols, these little plus symbols on each corner. You're just going to line your die up so that you have the little line in the center of each one of these corners. And this way, all of your little sentiments are positioned perfectly within the cutting area. To hold the die in place, I recommend using some low tack tape. I'm just using some purple tape, some score tape would work as well, and then I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine. Once it goes through, I just pull off the tape and then I will pull up the die gently. Here's a close-up of how it looks. The sentiments included are just stopping by to say, happy belated birthday, enjoy your special day, thinking of you, hello friend, just because, birthday wishes, sending my love, you make me smile, sending you sunshine with heartfelt sympathy, thank you, sending hugs, I miss you, best wishes, congrats, you are amazing, rainbow wishes, I am grateful for you, best day ever, just a note to say, dream big, celebrate, and happy birthday. So you have a wide variety of sentiments for all sorts of occasions. And here's a close-up of sending you sunshine. This stamp set and die set is perfect for making year-round cards. Here's an example of a Thanksgiving card I recently created where I used the I am grateful for you sentiment. And then here is a Halloween card I just created that says hello friend. So these are just perfect sentiments, the perfect size for any type of card or project. Thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Simple Sentiments stamp and coordinating die from Kat Scrappiness. All the details are listed in the description box below, and I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.